Pull up in motorcades, I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do, hustle and motivate.
Yo, what's up, good people? It's your boy B-Cal back at you again with another exciting video on how to build generational wealth. For those who haven't been here, this is Legacy Vault. This is where I discuss entrepreneurship, investment, and personal development. So thank you for coming. Let's get straight to it, folks. Most people think generational wealth means passing down a big bank account. But here's the truth. 90% of family wealth disappears by the third generation. Most fortunes get wasted because they weren't built the right way. So today, I'm giving you the blueprint to create wealth that actually lasts. Why most generational wealth disappears. If you don't build wealth correctly, it won't last, no matter how much you leave behind. And here's why. Lack of financial education. Heirs inherit wealth, but don't know how to manage it. No system for growth. If wealth isn't invested, it shrinks over time. Failure to protect assets. Poor estate planning leads to taxes, legal fees, and family disputes. Also, lifestyle inflation. Successors spend instead of reinvesting, when it should be the other way around. Using your investments to use for spending freely. If you want your wealth to last for generations, it has to be built differently. So let's get into the blueprint. Part 2, the blueprint for generational wealth. Step 1, build assets, not just income. Active income. Invested into assets equals passive income, which then compounds over time. See, focus on stocks, real estate, and businesses that produce money without your time. Example, Warren Buffett family's wealth isn't just inheritance. It's a system of compounding assets. Step 2, own cash flowing businesses, not just jobs. Working a job equals earning once. Owning a business equals reoccurring income. For examples, families with lasting wealth own businesses that pay them, even when they're not working. Here's a tactical fix. Start building scalable income streams right now. Peer-to-peer rentals like digital asset investments or things of that nature. Step 3, the 3-layer investment system. Layer 1 includes low risks, bonds, dividend stocks, or index funds. See, this creates a stable foundation. Layer 2, growth assets, such as real estate or ETFs, or even businesses. These build wealth. Layer 3, legacy investments, such as life insurance and or trust funds, or even holdings. These protect and transfer wealth to your family once you decease. Step 4, estate planning and asset protection. Set up trusts, wills, and tax efficient structures. If your wealth isn't protected, it gets eaten by taxes and disputes. For example, the Rockefeller family built trusts that kept their fortune intact for generations. Step 5, teach financial literacy, generational mindset shift. If your successors don't understand wealth, they'll lose it. For example, families who last multiple generations have a system for educating their children early on financial principles. Here's a tactical fix. Make financial education mandatory for your family. Set up annual wealth meetings. The secret isn't just making money, it's building a system that ensures it never disappears. Part 3, how to start building generational wealth today. You don't need millions of dollars to start building lasting wealth, but you do need a plan. Here's how to start today. Step 1, open a brokerage and start investing in long-term assets such as stocks, real estate, index funds. Step 2, create a business or a passive income stream like peer-to-peer rentals or other assets that you can think of to create to provide services or products to consumers. Step 3, set up basic estate planning such as wills, trust, and a tax strategy for when you pass away. Therefore, your loved ones don't have to stress about how to manage your finances or manage any debts that you leave behind. Granted, you have any. Step 4, teach financial literacy to your family and future generations. This is extremely important to protect your wealth and assets for years and generations to come. Step 5, reinvest earnings into wealth producing assets that grow on autopilot while you sleep. See, small, smart moves today create lifelong wealth tomorrow. Heed to that, and I guarantee you will bear fruits. See, building generational wealth isn't just about you. It's about what you leave behind. So let's get started now. All right, folks, let's get to it. Comment below, what's one of the moves that you're going to be making towards lasting wealth, long-lasting wealth, folks? I'll reply with tips. Subscribe down below. In the next episode, I'm going to be discussing advanced wealth transfer strategies. Start today. Invest, automate, and educate your next generation. Now, your legacy is built by the actions you take while you are alive. So make it count. Peace. I'll see y'all on the next episode.